Hi, Gareth here from Port Monkeys again, and today we are on the Majestic Princess, and we are on Lido deck, deck 16, same deck that has the buffet on it. And this is our cabin, Lido 211, and it says welcome Gareth, and the door just unlocked, and that's how the medallions work. Now on this ship you have to put a card in here to make the lights work. Now I've turned them all on for us. Look at that. So, instructions what to do in emergency. Big closet and automatic lights, watch. See? It just turned on when I got near that closet. So a big shelf, got your life preservers there, but all your other junk, all your clothes. We have a lot of clothes because this is a 56-day cruise. And a lot of shoes. Got these cabinets. A lot of hats. Safe, camera equipment, unmentionables. Typical cabin. Now this is a mini suite. A Princess mini suite on the Majestic Princess. Let me just be clear of that. So you got a sink, counter, all these shelves which we've filled with stuff. Of course, one of those. Toilet paper, extra toilet paper, tissues, bath mat, because yes, we have a bathtub with a shower head that comes off a handle, and it's adjustable, right? Depending on how you want it to be. I always like to aim it away so when I turn it on it doesn't spray me, because that happens, has happened. I've got a clothesline. This is usually, especially if you do this and hang your clothes here by this thing, this is usually the best way to dry clothes rather than outside. We are on our way to Tahiti and it is very humid, very wet outside. So this is turning the water on, and this is the temperature. And there are numbers there. See, that's 36. And to turn it any hotter, you have to push this little red button in there. It wants to know that you're serious about the heat. Shampoo and conditioner, shower gel, and over here, hand soap. We also got a tube of lotion. So pretty standard for a mini suite. Let's go out here. Hi. It's got this little shelf. It's pretty handy. I cleaned it off to make the video, but we've been keeping stuff there. We are still wearing masks-ish. You know, it says required, but they're not making people wear them, you know, in the theater and stuff. It has a remote for the television. We'll talk about that in a minute. That's a little speaker. It's got 2 drawers and a shelf, a light, switches for all the lights in the cabin. You can switch all the lights off or on here. I have plugged in a USB cable for my phone over there because on this side there is no USB port. Nice bed, nice comfortable bed with lots of room underneath to put your luggage. Okay. 2 USB ports on this side. So I travel with these long cables. I think it's 10 feet, maybe 12. I got on Amazon. So there's the lotion. Anyway, switches for all the lights there. Little lamp, more drawers, another little nightstand, we'll call it. Drawers, shelf, box of tissues, couch. Now this couch folds out into a bed if you need another bed. Let me step back here and show you there's curtains you can close. I actually haven't closed them. But if you know you wanted to be in there, there's another television. We'll get to that, but so curtains. You can close this room off from this room. So if somebody's sleeping here and you want to watch TV, I'm not sure what good it would do. More shelves. We don't have enough junk to fill them up, although we have filled up the desk. Little shelf up here. I love these little shelves up here. I can put all sorts of little things up there. Phone, flowers we got. More drawers. There's a blow dryer in one of these. Right there. That comes with the ship. This other stuff is ours. Chair. Little table. Remote for that TV. Artwork. A refrigerator. And the refrigerator is cold. When we first got on, it did not feel cold, but it's cold. It's ice cold. So that's good. Let's take a look at the TV real quick. The problem with this cabin, and I don't know if all the cabins have it, is that door, if we don't lock it, it slides open. See? I'm not doing that. Leave it by itself. Now if I slam it shut, it might stay shut, but I don't think so. Okay, so this is pretty much the way all Princess TVs are. They got movies, and there's 100 or better on there. I'm going down now. It's kind of slow to respond, and as I move across, see, there's a lot of movies. So for live TV, there's that. Okay, not a lot to choose from, I would say. That's my professional opinion. Anyway, that's the television. Both TVs have the same stuff, obviously. Now this is the balcony. It's not a very big balcony. I mean, it's okay, but if I want to recline this chair, and by the way, hi Janet, there are 2 recliners there, chairs, and a big table. You could recline that chair and sit in it and have all that leg room. So it can be done, but we turn them at an angle. And you hear people all day long and all night sometimes adjusting their furniture. So, we were in the South Pacific. The South Pacific. We crossed the equator yesterday. I had a big ceremony. Watch for the video. So I'm going to go back in. Janet's busy. She says bye. This cabin has really great blackout curtains. These things overlap almost a foot there. See that? They overlap a lot. So it's dark in here at night. And when the sun comes up, it's still very dark in here. Somebody left the chair pulled out. Of course, we brought our ukuleles. We're doing ukulele classes. So we brought our own. I want to talk briefly about thermostats. No numbers. This was cranked all the way there. And it's weird, and you may have experienced this, that sometimes this room is very warm and sometimes it's very cold, and we've never touched that. So I don't know. I can't explain it. Maybe it's us. Anyway, mini suite on the Majestic Princess. So Gareth saying, see you in the next port. Bye.